Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto noticed that approximately 80% of the Italy's land was owned by the 20% of the population living there. The amazing thing here is that this was not only limited to Italy. He then carried out a survey and found that the similar pattern was followed in variety of other countries also. Initially, this connection was only based on the population and wealth, but soon after expanding, the principle was visible in all other sectors of life, whether it be business, study, health, or relationship. This observation finally landed Pareto to make a principle which states that 80% of the results comes from the 20% of the causes. Understanding this principle is essential to prioritize your tasks, days, months and years. By applying this, we can improve our 20% of the causes to improve the 80% of our results. In our day-to-day life, we observe that 80% times we wear those 20% clothes of our collections. 80% times we listen to those 20% songs. 80% questions are the 20% questions that are frequently asked in the exams, and 80% of the crops come out from the 20% of the land. Also, 20% of the criminals are responsible for the 80% crimes in all over the world. This list is just endless and we can apply it in almost every field of life. In computer science, the Pareto principle can be applied to optimize the efforts. Microsoft noticed that by fixing the 20% of the most reputed bugs, 80% of the related errors and crashes in a given system would be eliminated. Lowell author expressed that 20% of the code has 80% of the error. Find them and fix them. 80-20 principle for social life. We often confuse that it is always better for us to make more and more friends, and so we tend to spend time with those people also whom we don't feel much better. By doing so, we waste our lot of time, and with this, we don't have time to spend on our important things. Actually, our mind is programmed to feel that the more means better, but this is not always the case. 80% of our happiness and the fulfillment comes from the 20% of our friends. So we should focus on those 20% friends who really make us feel good and we will have more time to spend with. This is going to save most of our time and we will have more time to focus on the important stuffs. The 80-20 rule is about the identifying an entity-based asset and using them effectively to create maximum value. For example, a student should try to identify which part of a textbook will create the most benefit for an upcoming exam and focus on those first. This does not imply, however, that the student should ignore the other parts of the book. Business managers from all industries use 80-20 principle to help narrow their focus and identify those issues that cause the most problems in their department and organization. You may think that the 80-20 rule is simply cause and effect. 80% of the outcomes, that is outputs, come from the 20% of the causes, the inputs that we are giving. So the final conclusion of this video is, despite focusing on everything all at once, put your emphasis on only those 20% which matters the most so as to improve your 80% of the result. This will reduce your time to half and double your result, and you will have more time to spend with your important things. See you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.